Alright guys, how's the campsite so far? I got all the snacks and everything. I mean, I don't know what Eggman's doing. What the? Eggman, you set the fire up?
No.
Why?
I don't have wood.
Alright, come here, Knuckles, get on top. We gotta go to bed.
Nope.
You ever know what's out there?
I really don't care.
Are you sure you don't want to come up here, Knuckles?
Oh, it's fine. I'll protect downstairs.
Alright then. Alright guys, good night. I gotta get up here now. Alright.
What the fuck? I'm trying to rip in fucking shoes! Calm down, George. I know it sucks.
That does, it kinda sucks, bro. I mean, come on, bro. Last month.
Look at your fucking shoes!
Oh, calm down with the cussing.
Okay. Is that a campsite?
Oh, well. Alright, this is the last night, and we'll go back home.
I don't want to sit with these fucking shoes. I can't even fucking fit.
Is that what's nothing?
Last time I saw you, went to go take a piss in the woods.
Boss, like I got poo.
Fuzzy! Oh, he's asleep. Oh, I gotta go take a piss. Ooh, Sonic! Huh, they're still sleeping. I gotta go take a piss anyways. That white sheep is back! Huh? Who's that behind the tree?
Our victim. Go kill him. Kill that guy.
Nah, I'm not gonna help. I'm gonna go take a piss in another tree.
Hello. What the fuck? Hello, little sheep, and I'm going to kill you now. No. What the hell? Hey, who killed him? I'm gonna kill you next. Whoa, what the hell? Hey, aren't you that guy that caused a Halloween Panic episode?
Yes, I'm here to kill Sonic. I seek my revenge, and I have found him now. Now it's time to kill him.
Oh, well, that's kind of cool. You wanna help me kill people? That's technically my job here. I kill people around this camp.
Sure, I will kill these people too. Let's kill my 7 up.
Oh, cool. Can you lead me to them? Did you guys hear that? Jarvis, am I Cuzzle?
I don't know.
Run! Guys, we gotta find somewhere.
What about the camp?
What? You think we're invited?
Yeah, I think so.
Run!
Oh shit! Shut up!
What?
There's people up there.
Ah, suck, bro! What the fuck? Huh? What the hell's going on?
Intruders!
Damn, Tels, this is every time I actually heard you scream. Hey, what are you doing here? Oh wait, aren't you those chiefs that are camping over there? Listen, Sonic, I've noticed the break here, but can we crash here for the night? Alright, what makes you say that?
Because the brother got murdered by that fat bear.
Well, murdered? Who got murdered?
It was not them!
Oh, shit, bro. They can crash here for the night. Huh, strange killer, huh? But we haven't seen no killer there, but sure, you can crash in and join the party. I got you can join the party. Huh.
Bitch!
Come on, George. Come on, Nick. Come on, Jordan. Come on, Marcos.
Okay. Oh, wait, no! Fuzzy!
This guy. No.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom then.
Oh boy.
Let's go to the bathroom.
Alright. This is gonna be a good spot.
So you think that's gonna work? That's how you're gonna play, huh?
Oh my god. Hey man, what do you want now? Guys, get out of the way!
Oh, what the fuck?
Ow!
Stupid asses trying to swing.
Picked the wrong guy to mess with, EXC.
I think I'm going to sneeze on that chalk.
Caused me to get sweat, bro. I'm bleeding out because it's you. And I'm tired with this bullcrap. The funner, this is the point I kill you. Whoa, I defeated him. Alright, now I have killed him and make sure he's gonna come back ever again. I'm so glad I didn't find out about this earlier. Yeah, it's all fun and games, but I think I'm out of here. Burp. Ow. It's dead or nothing, bitch. Hit one for 3. Oh!
I see the chaos.